said I'm doing my slime video. My name is Giselle and her name is Isabel. And this is our first slime video. Please smash that subscribe button. Put on the turn on the post of it notification. And let's get started. This is my purplish blackish butter slime. It's a good butter slime. A little pokes.
Isabel, you want to also show yours?
Yes, please. Next slime. Up for me is my next slime. Okay, this is a butter slime that I have. It's a good butter slime. It's kind of jiggly and it's really stretchy. And I love it so much. Do you know why? Because it's my first human butter slime. And I love it! No!
Tell them what kind of
This is a butter slime that...
Is yours also butter slime? Do you guys have the same slime?
Yes, please.
Explain how you guys made this color.
You see this blue slime where like it's a color that wiggles.
Guys, don't forget to turn on the post notification to
bell.
get bell to watch to get notified when our videos come up. When do our videos come up?
Every Sunday.
Yes, and we have a special guest coming to test our slime. And who will that be? Drum roll, please.
Mason!
Mason! Come explore the girls' slime. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi guys, my name's Mason.
Mason's very shy.
And this is my first YouTube video. And I'm going to be testing out both of their slimes.
Good.
Here we go.
Yes, Mace. What is it? Does it have a smell to it?
No. Oh, yeah. And they put nerds in it.
Oh, you guys put nerds?
No. It comes with nerds.
Oh, it does. Is it good? What do you rate it?
Yeah, it smells like blueberry. I give it a 9.5 out of a 10.
Very nice. What are your thoughts? What do you think that they should improve on?
I don't know.
So it's very nice. Okay, girls, go next to Mason.
I have to try out the next one.
Oh, so whose slime is that? Is that your slime,
Yeah,
Giselle?
it's in there.
So that's Giselle's slime, and now test out Isabel's slime.
It's okay. It's okay.
And if you guys also want, we will be vlogging after schools. We'll see how this video is gonna be. And we might post more than once a week if this gets 20 likes, right?
No! And subscribe! Actually, let's try to get 1,000 likes. Then we're going to post.
That's a lot. This is our first video. Why are our standards so high?
It's so squishy. Let's try to get 100 likes.
And if this gets 30 likes, we'll start vlogs.
Very glittery, look. And if we get 100 likes, do you know what's going to happen? Drum roll, please. We're going to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Yes, Mason.
And on Friday, whenever our cousins come, we're going to also...
Do you want to introduce your cousins to the channel?
Yes.
And what is your channel name? Giselle, Isabel, Fun Time. Giselle and Isabel's Fun Times. Yes?
Yeah! Look at this purple fun slime to play with. It pokes well. I know you love this slime so much. I want to sell it, but sorry, I can't. And I am going to every video and be our guest.
He will be the guest to our videos, but this channel is mainly
Isabel and Giselle and Isa.
okay. So thank you for watching our video. We had so much fun with you on our first video. You should be very honored. And what do you guys have to say to your subscribers?
Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel. Turn on the button notification bell and like this video.
If this gets 30 likes, but we'll do vlogs.
And if we get 100 likes, we are going to get more videos than that. Yeah, we're going to post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And on Fridays, for a double check, we're also going to sometimes our cousins are going to be in our videos.
Okay,
Yeah.
and your task is for today is to comment your favorite slime. Butter slime, crunchy slime.
Mine is like a crunchy slime, but when it butter crunchy slime.
And your favorite color of the slime. Let's say you like purple, you like black, you like white.
I like
so
the white.
your task today.
I like purple and white. That's what.
But we're talking about our subscribers. So our subscribers are gonna comment their favorite kind of slime. Their favorite kind of slime and their favorite color slime. So everyone, bye!
Bye! Thank you for watching my videos. I hope if you buy me food coloring one in the rainbow, I'll give you this all my slimes to sure. And don't forget about me. I am the coolest one ever.
Say bye, Giselle. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to check out all our videos. And if anybody sees all of our videos we post,
Bye, guys.
we might give you $30.
Container.
Bye, guys.